Hello beautiful humans, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tessa Stewart. If you're not new here, hey girl, hey! Welcome back. So in today's video, I am going to be doing a holiday inspired look. It is November. This is like my favorite month. It's my grandmother's birthday this month. There's Thanksgiving this month. I'm in the holiday spirit. So I thought I'd do a nice matte eye and a red bold lip for you guys. I'm also going to be using my Natasha Denona bronze palette. This is one of the palettes that is a choice for the upcoming giveaway that I'll be doing. Obviously you'll get a new one. But I just wanted to get on here, do this look for you guys really quickly. It's been a minute. I'm going to try to be more consistent with my uploads, so bear with me. Thank you so much for your support so far. And without any further ado, let's get right into the video. But before we go any further, make sure you like this video, comment below, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you're alerted with my future uploads. And let's get right into the video. Okay, so I have my base finished. Now we're gonna move on to the eyes. So I'm gonna prime my lids. Today I will be using the P. Louise base in Blank Canvas. So I'm just gonna pat that onto my lid. So just a quick tip when you're blending out the base, it's thick, right? So you might have a little bit too much. If that's the case, always keep like a paper towel handy and then just like dab off the excess product onto the paper towel. That's what I do. I do that when I'm doing my own face. I do that when I'm doing other people's faces. So there we have it. We have our base laid down. So I'm just going for like a soft matte look today. So I'm going to be using my Natasha Denona gold palette. All right, so I'm going to start off with the color Suntan, and I'm just going to start by applying that into my upper crease area. So you're going to start from the outer edge, small circular motions with the brush towards the inner corner, and just blend that out. So let's talk about elections. Now I know that like a lot of people don't do politics, you don't talk about politics, but the way I was raised, my grandfather was huge into politics. So believe it or not, I majored in political science, well, legal assistance when I was in community college, and then when I transferred to Morgan or whatever, I was political science for the short amount of time that I was at Morgan. But that was my passion, so I just knew I was going to be some type of lawyer. I wanted to do corporate law, to be honest with you, but politics always interested me. So my grandfather's really heavy in it. Like literally we went to the polls, like as soon as I turned 18 I was able to vote, and we went to the polls. My grandfather and we always were the ones there from like 6 o'clock in the morning. Like that was a tradition. That's how we do it. And it was just so odd this year that like that's not how it went. Like people were mailing in ballots. My grandfather mailed his in. Like I called him and we were talking, and he was saying how he missed the rush of like standing in the line to vote. It was just like, okay, like I get that too, but this year this whole process has been strange, and I don't care which side you're on. We're all entitled to our opinions, okay, and our own feelings. But I pray that each and every person who is watching this video went out and voted. I don't care which side, but as long as you voted, always make your voice known. And I think that you're doing yourself a disservice. You're doing your community a disservice, your future children, your family, your friends a disservice if you are one of those ones who wait or who only vote for the president or vote during presidential elections. I hope that each and every one of you, and I'm encouraging each and every one of you to get out and vote in your local legislation, like your local elections for your local government, okay? So from city council on up, okay? I hope that you all go out and vote for those people as well, and that you take the time to invest in research on each candidate so that you know what they're about, what they stand for, what kind of policies that they're pushing, because honestly, ultimately, these are the people who make it to Washington. These are the people who wind up in the Senate, in Congress. Get what I'm saying? These are the people who say yay or nay on the bills, you know, so that get passed. So it's very important to vote for these people too. So enough of my ranting. Now I'm gonna go in with the color Magma, a little deeper down into the crease, in a smaller blending brush. So you're just gonna blend on both sides. So I'm gonna go in with my Bdellium Tools 766 brush with the color Beach from that same palette. And I'm just gonna put that right on the lid. It's just like a nice soft brown shade. And then I'm gonna go back and forth with my blending brush and blend out the edges. No type of cut crease or anything like that. Just a soft look. So my version of like soft glam, if there's such a thing. So I might go in with another color that's a little bit lighter than this. Actually, let me go in with my other Natasha Denona palette. I'm gonna come with the color Rope from the Metropolis palette. Yeah, brighten it up a little bit. All right, so we got that done. Now I'm gonna work on the lower lash line. So I'm gonna go in with Magma first and just blend that. And you guys know I like a really smoky bottom lash line. So are you guys ready for Thanksgiving and the holiday season? Like seriously, I think that this whole lockdown situation, quarantine, whatever, it really kind of like shortened summer. Like it's so cold now and I feel like summer lasted like 2 weeks, honestly. It's, I mean, longer than that, but that's how it feels. Like, so like now I'm just like, all right, well, where's Thanksgiving, dagnabbit? Like I'm ready for a nice meal. I'm ready to spend time with family, reminisce, and have a good time. You know what I mean? So I can't wait. And Thanksgiving is my favorite holiday. Yep, so I have that looking how it's looking and how I like it. I'm not, you know what, I'm gonna go for like a fully matte kind of look today. I'm really not gonna put, I don't think I'm gonna put any highlight on my cheekbones. Yeah, so I'm gonna go from there. I'm gonna go in with a liner, which I don't normally do, but I'm gonna go in with a liquid liner. Basically, you wanna do a line from where, like, if your lower lash line was to be extended, right? That line that's already being created, you wanna follow that same direction up towards the end of your eyebrow. All right, so now I'm gonna go into my waterline with the black liner from One Size, Bodacious Black. I'm gonna go in on top of that black with dark blue liner. I know it's different. It's, what color is this? The color Enigma. I'm gonna take the color Enigma from Natasha Denona. It's like a deep indigo blue. And I'm going to pack that right onto the black. All right, so I have my liner down. Now I'm gonna go in with my mascara. I'm using my Pat McGrath Fetishize. Okay, so we have our lashes on, we have our eyes finished. So since it's holiday season, I'm in the mood for a red lip, right? So let me wipe off this balm. So this was the Laneige lip glowy balm in the flavor grapefruit. I like it so much. I love the lip mask as well. Now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna line my lips with the NYX matte lip liner in the color Cherry Skies. I haven't worn a red lip in so long. Back in the day, red was my go-to color. Like Ruby Woo. Ruby Woo was my, like, oh my goodness, I loved Ruby Woo. Till I found Russian Red. MAC Ruby Woo and MAC Russian Red. Until I found Russian Red, oh my goodness. Oh, you know what? My favorite red is actually from Nars. I think it's Mysterious Red or Cruella. I can't remember which one without seeing it firsthand, but I cannot find that one. I had it in one of my... that was my go-to for a long time as well. Oh my goodness. That just reminds me, I have to reorder. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with Sephora's liquid lipstick in, oh my gosh, number 96. All right, so I've let that liquid lipstick dry down just a little bit. Now you can leave it like this if you wanted this bright. I'm just gonna make it a little bit more of like an ombre effect. So I'm gonna take the color Sin from MAC and I'm just going to put that around the edges. Just like that. Okay, so you're just creating like a little ombre effect, but like in the corners. Okay, so you see the effect that we created. It's just like a little darker on the edges or the outer portion than the inner portion. Okay, so we have our lip on. So now I'm just gonna spray down my face. I'm gonna use my Urban Decay. And then right over top, I'll spray my Hourglass Veil. All right, guys, this is the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you're alerted with my future uploads. And if you like the video, share it with your friends, girl. Okay, especially if you learned something new today, okay? If I taught you any type of tricks or any makeup hacks, make sure that you share with your friends. We are constantly growing. I would love for you to grow with me and follow me along this journey. I have a lot of new tutorials in store for you for this season. I'm even going to do a vlog. I keep saying this, but I am going to do vlogs, okay? Trust and believe, I'm going to do it. It's coming, all right? So, but thank you so much for watching to the end, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.